Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to make a playlist on Spotify Mobile in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Spotify on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. Now search for the song that you want to add. Tap on it to play. Tap on the three dots at the side of the song. Tap on Add to Playlist. Tap on New Playlist at the top. You can name the playlist if you want to, or simply tap on Skip if you don't want to. After you're done, tap on Done. Now to view your playlist, go to your library at the bottom right. Tap on Playlist at the top. Now you can view your playlist. If you want to add the another song, tap on Search again. Now search for the song that you want to add to the playlist. Tap on the three dots again. Tap on Add to Playlist. Then tap on the playlist that you just made. And that is how to make a playlist on Spotify. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.